Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology, YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is iRocket secures U.S. Army contract to expand Hydra 70 guided rocket production for counter-drone missions. Innovative Rocket Technologies Incorporated, known as iRocket, said it has been selected for a U.S. Army Hydra 70 guided rocket components contract. The award, from Army Pay Portfolio Acquisition Executive FIRIS PDM Product Manager ARSGM, Advanced Rocket System Guided Munitions, is valued between $30 million and $150 million. The contract will support production of systems designed to counter growing numbers of low-cost aerial threats. iRocket said the award comes as U.S. forces face sustained drone attacks in ongoing operations in Iran, underscoring the need for affordable and rapidly deployable munitions. The contract's core objective is to bridge the gap between expensive Hellfire missiles and cheap unguided rockets. iRocket said Hellfire missiles cost about $150,000 to $200,000 per unit. The effort will transform Hydra 70 rockets into laser-guided precision missiles. The company said the modified Hydra 70 rockets will become a critical munition for the U.S. Army's expanding counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems capability. Recent conflicts have highlighted a widening gap between the weapons the United States relies on and the threats it faces, according to iRocket. In many cases, forces are required to use high-cost interceptors against inexpensive drones, creating an unsustainable cost dynamic and straining limited stockpiles. iRocket said its Hydra 70 platform offers an effective counter-drone capability at a fraction of the cost. The company said the approach is designed to match the scale at which modern conflicts are being fought. The company said its production strategy focuses on enabling that scale. Through its Factory One of the Future concept, iRocket is applying automation, robotics, and digitally integrated production systems to accelerate manufacturing of guided rocket components and counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems missile capabilities. iRocket said the goal is not only to build better systems, but to produce them in the volumes and timelines required by modern warfighters. The company said this supports the U.S. government's demand for a more robust Hydra 70 rocket supply chain that can handle surge requirements and adapt to changing operational needs. This award reflects a vital shift in how modern conflicts are being fought and won. Our forces are facing increasingly asymmetric threats, where low-cost drones are being deployed at scale, and the traditional response model is no longer sustainable. At iRocket, we are focused on changing that equation, delivering precision-guided rocket capabilities that are not only effective, but affordable and produced at the speed and volume today's operational environment demands, said Asad Malik, CEO of iRocket. The company said its production model is intended to reduce bottlenecks, shorten manufacturing cycles, and enable rapid scaling. It said this addresses a major challenge in the defense industrial base: the inability to replenish critical munitions quickly enough to sustain operations or deter future conflict. Through our Factory One of the Future approach, we are rethinking how munitions are built, enabling a more agile, resilient supply chain that ensures warfighters have access to the systems they need, when and where they need them, Malik said. Our new facility is designed to produce one propellant every 5 minutes, putting us on track to manufacture up to 97,000 units annually, and play a meaningful role in rebuilding the arsenal of freedom. iRocket said demand for counter-drone capabilities continues to rise. The company said the ability to field affordable systems and produce them at high rates is becoming central to battlefield effectiveness and deterrence. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.